Okay, hi guys. Hop darsimizni boshlaymiz. O'tgan darsni takrorlab olamiz. Repeat the last topic that we had with you last lesson, right? Okay. Bu tekst haqida biz o'qigan edik, to'g'rimi? Sizlarga vazifa berilgan matnni o'qib kelish, to'g'rimi?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I will ask you some question about this text then. What is typical? Who knows what is typical? Muhammad Amin?
People are typical. No.
No, Uzbek. Tell me Uzbek. Typical nima degani? Nima tushunasan typical?
Oddiy, uning qishloq oddiy.
Typical, oddiy, odatiy degani, right? Hop. The typical in this text, this family is typical or not typical? Not typical. Why? Nima uchun? Okay, sit. Matnda nima uchun bu oilalar typical emas deb berilyapti? Bilol?
Ularga hamma ko'p oilalar twin, ya'ni egizak bolalar tug'ilgani uchun bu noodatiy kiradi.
Okay, now I will ask you some vocabulary from last lesson. Hozir lug'at so'rayman o'tgan darsdan bo'yicha. Okay, I will ask randomly. Okay, bitta so'rab ketaveraman. Hop, British.
Britaniya.
Yaxshi. Chinese.
Xitoy.
Yolg'izni qanaqa aytamiz? Absalom yolg'iz.
Single.
Yes, single. Hop, o'g'il farzand. Son. Yes, son. Okay, so yangi mavzuni boshlaymiz sizlar bilan. New topic. You can read it. It's vocabulary and skills development. What kind of skills do you know? Qanaqa skilllarni bilasiz? Boshqani javob.
Listening, speaking, writing, reading. Bu skill.
Yes, it's English skills. Here is the two skills are. Imron, qanaqa skilllarni ko'ryapsiz yozilgan?
Listening, speaking.
Listening and speaking. Speaking nima degani?
Speaking gaplashing.
Listening.
Eshitma.
Okay. So we're going to listen this exercise and do this. Hozir eshitamizda eshitgan so'zlarimizni mana bu bo'shliqlarga yozib chiqishimiz kerak. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's begin.
It's not a female name. She's called Sarah.
Okay, have you finished?
Yes.
Okay, so'zlarni topa oldik, ha? Okay. Okay, keyingi mavzumuz bolalar qaranglar. Regular and irregular plurals deyapti. Regular nima degani? To'g'ri. Yes. Irregular esa? Biz bilamizki, to'g'ri ko'plik yasash uchun Imron nimadan foydalanamiz?
S qo'shimchasi.
S qo'shimchasini qo'shamiz. Yaxshi, bular irregular bo'lish uchunchi. Irregular qanaqa otlar?
Ichidan o'zgaradigan so'zlar. Masalan, men bo'lsa, ichidan a da o'rniga i qo'yamiz, men.
Yaxshi, zo'r. Xo'p, hozir doskaga chiqib bitta ham regular ham irregularga misol yozamiz, bo'ptimi? Kim chiqadi doskaga? Okay, Umar keldi.
Countryga y chiqib qolib, es qo'shimchasi qo'shiladi.
Countries bo'ladi. Right.
Bu men o'zgaradi. Ga o'zgaradi, i ga o'zgaradi.
Okay.
Person birlikda pupil.
Tarjimasini aytchi, nima degan bular?
Odam.
Person bir kishi, people esa
Ko'plikda.
odamlar degan. Yaxshi, good job. Keyingi taskimiz mana bu so'zlarni ikkita liniyaga bo'lib yozishimiz kerak. Female bu ayollar, okay, male esa erkaklar. Okay. Mother is female, but father is male. Keyingisini hozir bizlar to'ldirib chiqishimiz kerak. Bu so'zlardan foydalangan holda hamma kitobda bajaradi. Ba'zi o'quvchilar esa doskaga chiqib bajaradi. Qani Umar, birinchisi. Qolganlar hamma kitobda bajaradi, men tekshirib chiqaman.
Husband to each other, ayol kishiga wife.
Bor.
Grandfather bu degani,
Hop.
grandfather bobo degani, shu uchun grandfather.
Good job. Imron.
Grandson. O'g'il nabira degan, granddaughter nabira.
Yaxshi.
Daughter qiz farzand, son o'g'il farzand.
This is fine, right? Okay. Demak, bugungi mavzumiz tugadi. Mavzu tushunarli bo'ldimi?
Yes.
Alright. Demak, uyga vazifa lug'at yodlash va Coursebookning 11-betigacha, Workbookning esa 9-betigacha bajarib kelish. Alright?
Yes.
Okay, goodbye students.
Goodbye.